I'm going to share with you my version of Lechon kawali using pork liempo. Now we'll have to wash our pork first. It's like this. Okay. The first one on the skin was horizontal. Now we're going to do a vertical. Again, slicing halfway. I'll set this aside first. See? It's cut like this. First, set aside and chop our garlic. Set aside. For this one, you don't need to chop it. You only need pounds a bit. So the flavor will come out. This will add on to the flavor of our pork. Now I'm gonna bring in our pork. It's time to grab our salt. Okay, and put the garlic. Both sides. We're using cayenne pepper because of its anti-inflammatory benefits. So we have our liempo ready. Now I'll be using the Master 3 quarts roaster. We won't be using oil here. Need to put the onion leeks first. Fold the onion leeks. Place it properly at the bottom. Then we'll place our pork slab meat down. So we're going to close this. I'll wait for this to flicker. Then we'll remove the onion leeks after. Okay, so we'll get back to this. Okay, almost 10 minutes, and you would see that the vapour valve is already clicking. Let's try to open it and remove the onion leeks for a while. First, so we'll do the same. And the onion leeks this time will be on top of the pork skin. We'll simmer it again. Almost 10 minutes, around 8 minutes. We'll check already. Time for the skin to cook. Let's see first what happened at the bottom. It's like this. Okay. Bring in the onion leeks again. You can hear the popping sound. Those are the fats of the skin. the other edges are still not yet perfectly burned, you have to do this. Other side. Cover it a little, only with a small opening there, okay? There. Small opening. Next. Again. Okay. Done. Transfer up. We're done. Presenting to you my version of crispy lechon pork belly using salad mix. Even if it's charred, the roaster is easy to clean. Now you only put hot water into it for your dishwashing with. While if it cools down already, it's the time that I'll clean it. I'll show you later. And you can see this. They're coming out already. Okay. Let's put some more dishwash.